All right, what we've got here is a 2004 Nissan Titan, and it's an intermittent no start. And the intermittent is all the time now, to where it won't start. And if you turn the key, you can hear a clicking over there. And one way, if you don't have a battery tester or anything, you can just maybe turn your headlights on, see that they're bright, and when you try and click it to start, none of the lights get dim. And I can hear the sound coming from the passenger side footwell area, and I had someone listen for that sound, and it's coming basically from that footwell area. And we've checked under the hood with our power probe. If you don't have a power probe, you can just use your lights or whatever to see that it's not dimming, so you're not losing any current through a bad starter. But we used our power probe, which you got here, or a test light would do the same thing. And I'll show you what we see. Okay, what I got here, these two connections, they go together. I unhooked them. I got little zip ties here holding them so they don't fall. This is the wire going to the starter. This is the wire coming from the truck. And basically, what it is the starter isn't getting a signal from the key inside the truck. The starter works fine. We hit it with our power probe, giving it some electricity, and it cranks the engine. So we go to the footwell, the passenger side again, where we heard that clicking noise, and we'll replace that starter relay and we'll see what happens. We're going to plug this back in. There we go. All right, I popped out these panels. You can see destroyed that there, but there's little clips that snap in, and there's one that goes there, and this just kind of pops up out of these little retainers. But I managed to break that, so that worked out pretty good. And when you turn the key, we feel this relay clicking. When you can feel something happening at the same time it clicks. So I'm sure this is the relay for the starter, because I did order a new starter relay for this truck. And look what we got. Apparently this is Larry proof. Appears to be the same connectors. All right, so we're going to put this guy on there. Seems to be secure. All right, so we're going to give it a shot now. So that seems to have been the problem, because we didn't get anything but the clicking coming from that relay. So that was the faulty part. Like I said, I used a power probe so I could give electricity to the starter, and it cranked, and then that relay was clicking. We weren't getting any electricity at the starter from the inside of the truck. Of course, the battery cable was getting power from the battery, but fully charged battery, the relay was a problem.